In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a workspace in Asana. Before we jump in, it's important to understand what we're actually doing. In Asana, what most people think of as deleting a workspace is usually handled by removing yourself from that workspace. If you're the only member left, this effectively shuts it down for you. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you how to remove yourself from a workspace safely and correctly. Start by signing into your Asana account and making sure you're in the workspace you want to leave. Take a moment here to double check, because once you're removed, you'll lose access to the projects and tasks in that workspace, unless you're re-invited later. Now, look to the upper right-hand corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon, which may show your initials or a small profile photo. Click on that profile icon. This opens a small menu with different options related to your account and personal settings. From this drop-down menu, click on the option labeled Settings. This takes you into your account settings window, where you can manage things like your profile details, notifications, and the spaces you belong to. Inside the settings window, find and select the Account tab. Tabs may appear across the top or along the side, depending on your interface, so look carefully for one specifically labeled account. This section contains actions that affect your overall Asana account and membership. Within the Account tab, look for the option that says Remove me from this workspace. This is the key action that lets you leave the current workspace. Click on Remove me from this workspace. Before you do this, be sure you're absolutely certain that this is the correct workspace, especially if you're part of multiple teams or organizations in Asana. After you click, Asana will guide you through some on-screen prompts. These may include confirming that you really want to leave, and possibly warning you about losing access to projects, tasks, or messages in that workspace. Carefully read each prompt so you understand what data and permissions you're giving up. Then, follow the instructions to confirm your choice. Once you complete those prompts, you'll be removed from that workspace and it will no longer appear in your Asana